Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah. I'm keeping it.
Sam, what you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
Well, guys, we thought Billy was going to be a dad, and those are all black. We haven't let him see yet, so this may get kind of crazy.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me wanna dribble dribble. You know, riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it.
Guys, look what else I got him.